welcome back to another Tracker Tim video. We are about to cross the Humber Bridge in the R Series. I'm so glad I spent 3 hours washing this last night. Still looks relatively clean. So we're now heading over the Humber Bridge. As I was saying, I'm so glad I washed the truck. I spent 3 hours last night washing this and it's rained the whole way up. So we're currently on our way to Driffield in Yorkshire to pick up an excavator. Toll Plaza! Thank you. And then later on in the video, we've got to do some more bits to the unit to get it ready to get the 4 Series in. So just over to our right, over there is where we picked up the caravan with plums in the T-cab. My God, does that look good. We're 40 minutes away from the excavator. And would you believe it? The roads are now dry. Excavators. Oh, someone's loading one up. Looks like there's a nice selection here. Which one's mine? I don't know. This is our excavator. Just gonna put these buckets on the neck. I hope there's someone here to load it. Luckily I had a little bit of practice in the digger girls.
No!
That is the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever done. Swing that in like that, and then bring this back like this. Watch your window, and then push that down. That's gonna hit there, so we need to push, push that out like that. I think we need chains for this one. I think I'm wearing the right colour t-shirt for this job. Ow. We now need to put one here to pull this, stop this swinging about. There we go. The first excavator on the channel, loaded. It's the first time I've ever done that on my own. A little bit with Martin Hall, obviously, with the chains and stuff, but that's the first time on my own. We are Newmarket bound. Woo! Get the aircon on. That is actually a really big achievement for me. I never thought I'd ever do anything like that on my own. And I have. We're on our way to heavy haulage on the channel. Hey, let's go! Yes! Uh-oh. Watch the tracks. Watch the tracks. Look at the state of me. I definitely didn't wear the right clothes for this. She loves it. Ah, I now feel really insignificant. We'll have one of them on one day. Oh, look, that metal's floppy. We need some diesel again. We're in. Check my chains. Oh, yes. Oh. Another one. All I seem to do is fill this up with diesel. She's rather thirsty. We have some lunch. We've now just got to get out of here, which is not easy when you've got people like this dithering along. So the only issue with coming this way is there is a Vosa testing station at Sawtree. They're northbound. Woo! DAF XG Plus, single tag, 530. It's a long wheelbase, that is. Fans! The roads are getting interesting the closer we get to the delivery point. Oh Christ, look out, narrow bridge. Oh, sounds good. Absolutely love that noise. Never gets old. Ever. Woo! Sorry, I'm so sorry. Unsuitable for HGVs, that'll be the way then. Ooh, qu'est-ce que c'est? What are you doing down here? It's unsuitable for heavy goods vehicles. Can see it in their face. Pull Big horsepower. That is yet to be revealed. We have a truck dyno day coming soon. I think I need to be in here. Ooh, looks a bit tight. We have arrived at the farm. Well, it's here safe. We've just got to get it off safely. Get all these chains off. All right. Let's get her off. One safely delivered excavator. Let's get this trailer back to Sean's. There we go, another happy customer. It's all about building customer relations. We should get another job out of that now. It's the environmental agency. Oh, hello. Hey! They loved it, I think. I look like I've been on a winch out.
Where you been, Dave?
Well, I thought I'd wear white to load a digger.
That was clever, weren't it? I thought I'd wear white.
It was very successful, by the way.
Well, it was it.
I'm going to take this back now.
You're not. You have to get your missus to pick you up.
Why?
Because it's MOT time, Timbo. So it's all mine for 3 days.
It's end of September, my MOT.
No, it's not. It's end of August.
I'm not ready for it.
What?
Well,
Ah. That doesn't work, sir, does it?
no.
No?
That is imitation soot.
Oh, we've got to take all them wheel nut indicator covers off as well.
Why?
Because Mr. MOT man can't tap your nuts, sir.
Luckily they'd come off easy. This has got to all come off. We've got to get all the catwalk off, haven't we? Don't show that. No. Sean! Cut. Oh, blue beacons. MOT.
Well, we don't switch them on, do we?
We'll do
And it
what,
doesn't go
then?
neenor, does it?
What about these?
It's alright, I'll roll the windows down, Tim.
Can I come?
I can't do nothing on my own, can I?
Content! You think we'll be alright then?
Yeah, we'll be fine.
I think it's going to fail. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to find out whether she passes.
What does he take me for? I think it's gonna fail.
Not because of anything mechanical.
He's
It's going to
thinking.
be all the other little bits.
All the stuff it's not meant to have on it?
Yeah. And there's a lot of that sort of stuff, isn't there, Sean? Let's be honest. So, yeah.
Yep.
The sandstorm! I can't see!
What you got in your eyes, Timbo?
That was dusty. Moving in. Ready for 4 Series build. The 4 Series is coming. And somebody is coming to do the floor, Helen, in resin.
Exciting.
And, no, more exciting than that. I'm having a big V8 here on the floor. So when you open up the roller shutter, there's going to be a big V8 on the floor here.
What have we got in the truck then, dear? Stuff for the 4 Series. Where'd you get that from? You're expecting a lot of traffic in here, are you?
If I am, they're going to be confused, look.
Where did you get them from? Right, and where did you get that from?
Same place as them traffic lights. You can put that there.
Just in case no one knows where the emergency exit is.
Basically.
Speakers.
Radio. I'll turn it on. Listen.
Ah, it makes a lorry noise.
V8.
Bluetooth mode.
All offices need nice plants.
You've got one in the toilet. Oh, do you want this desk in then, or?
Yes, please. On you get.
Can't hold this. To me, to you. This is your area. Look at your units, Helen.
I'm gonna have to like an ashtray. I've changed my mind.
Horn blasters. Floor down. That's being done in a couple of weeks. Trucks in, and then we start on the 4 Series. The next video that's coming to the channel is a 4 Series build video. Yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that video.
So Tim is now leaving me for the weekend to go rip apart the rest of the 4 Series.
We're at the unit, Sean. Oh.
Handbrake.
Make sure that's on.
Set a column. That's why. You even got a key. Ooh.
Next week I'm having these tinted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not having blinds.
You're
I'm
having
having them
tinted?
tinted. Yeah,
What,
'cause
mirror
I
tint?
like window tints.
Ooh.
Welcome. We have a desk.
This is different. Get some lights on. Wow.
Look at them.
Look at that.
TTHQ.
Oh, look at
You'll
this.
be spending many an hour here. We get to one. Give me some floor
Mats?
tiles. Floor tiles. I need some of these. I need a few more than this. I'll show you where these are going in a second. This is Helen's area. My Helen.
Oh, not my Helen then.
Oh, it might be. You never know.
You never know. She'll be moved in next week.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Also a Helen area.
Oh, look at this.
In here. Tea.
Tea. Oh, pot noodles.
Breakfast bars. And cups. No Lombardo cup though.
Oh, you got a Lombardo
Oh, I
cup.
don't know. You didn't give me one.
I'll give you one later. I've got a cup.
Excuse me.
Look what we got in here.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Towels.
Ooh, look. I'm getting excited.
3, 2, 1.
Look at that. Do they work?
Yes! Very confusing traffic lights though.
Yeah, are we going? Are we stopping? Or... Did you get them? Can I have some of them in my
Don't
workshop?
ask Scania. Workbenches.
What's in it? Is that thinners?
Oh, don't look down there. Scania light.
That's good. Well, I'm impressed, Tim.
Toolbox. I'll go up to a size 22.
22.
This all come in it.
I thought that was an added extra.
Super glue.
I can see you using that quite a lot when you've muffed things up.
And these.
Cable ties, yeah, a few of them. Tell you what, you're nearly fully equipped.
This is a 4 Series restoring kit.
Is it? Blue roll.
I even bought some blue roll.
Blue roll and some sponges.
Yes, for washing. Watch the horn blasters on your way up.
Are they direct from Cuda?
Yeah.
Link in the description.
Floor tiles down here.
Oh, like that.
Cover it so it'll be like another carpeted area. You're impressed, I can
I'm
tell.
really impressed.
You're like this.
What?
It's the same, we've got a truck
Yeah.
and we want to put beacons on. Clean the roof.
Drive it up here.
Drive along here.
I've got a game.
So we can get onto the roof. We can clean the roof for show prep.
Clean the blue beacons.
Yeah, replace the beacons for orange beacons to keep the law happy.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's only in Holland. I do like it here.
Nice here. You're going to be here many an hours. Trucks.
I can see this is happening.
You want a drink?
Yeah.
Follow me. I was anticipating your visit.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you got? Yeah. Have you got a bottle opener? Ooh.
Disco!
Pair of pliers, right? If I put them in here, look, watch this.
I'm watching. Oh!
Got it!
Hey! Do this one too.
I don't think my finger can take anymore. Ah!
What?
So much, Tim.
Why are you pinching it?
Oh, cheers, mate.
Cheers.
And then,
in the unit.
Ooh.
Beer mat.
Cushy. We haven't got a chair.
A chair.
Lovely.
Just for you, mate.
Wicked.
Fancy pot noodle?
Yeah.
Go with beer.
Yeah, mate. In my chair now. Truck a Tim HQ. Oh, that's Mickey.
Pot noodle?
Can you do a pot noodle in the microwave? Oh, look at that.
Chicken and mushroom.
You gotta put some water in that first.
Do you? I don't know. Smells good.
Is it?
How long do you think that'll need?
High.
High?
Medium high or high? High. There's a lot of flames there. 10 minutes?
Utensil. For eating. Lift the lid of success.
Kettle there. Still cooking. Tell what.
That smells well.
It does smell well, doesn't it?
So you'll be down here for beers and noodles.
Beers and noodles every Friday night.
4 Series. If we had the 4 Series here, we could actually start work now.
Well, we could do, yeah.
That might be hot.
Oh, it's a bit hard.
Ah, this needs a few more minutes.
It's a bit crunchy.
Yeah, it's not done, is it?
Back we go. Gordon Ramsay would be well impressed with this, wouldn't he?
This is incredible.
There she goes.
It's off again.
Is it done yet?
Do you think I should get out and stir it again?
Oh,
Oh,
has it bubbled over a bit?
Made a bit of a mess, Timbo.
That's looking better. I think that's about ready.
Lovely old job.
Might taste a bit plasticky. Tuck in, mate.
Got me bit. Got that. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, really good. It's really good, that pot noodle.
You're going to do it with a micro from now on?
Definitely. I think they've had their day. Oh, they're perfect.
We used the toolbox for the first time the other day, didn't we, Sean?
Yes, we did.
What did we use it for, Sean?
In a bottle of beer?
Oh!
Oh, I thought you could say bottle opener.
No. There wasn't a bottle opener in there.
No. Oh, would you look at...
A bottle opener.
Look at that.
I meant to give that to you. I forgot. Bottle jacks. Oh, bottle jacks. Yep. What are we going to want? 20 tons?
Yes. Only...
Oh,
Watch your toes.
dodgy.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
lovely.
You guys.
Oh!
Look at
Look
them.
at that.
Oh, yes!
Could you have one of these?
Oh, now what?
That's what you want, Tim? For getting your wheels off?
Oh my god.
I can't hold it up. Look, it's drooping.
I've had that
Go on,
issue
get
before.
get some guns. There you go, boy. Yeah. There you go. You got it, mate. You got it. Yeah. I got it.
20-ton bottle jack for jacking up the 4 Series. We're doing 4 Series restorations today.
Yeah.